Hello everybody, happy Thursday. So today in Phonics we have got another sound to learn. You've done so well this week. So the first thing we need to do though is to go through our sound cards, don't we? So are you ready to help me? Let's go. I've mixed them up again today. Are you ready? First one is eh, eh, eh. Well done. And it is a digraph because we've got 1, 2 letters and 1 sound. Well done. S, t, t, t. Ah. G, g, g. Ah, ah, ah. What's this one? D, d, d. Well done. Well, this was the one from yesterday. Do you remember it? W, w, w. Well done. Eh. Another digraph. It's L. What's this one? N. K, k, k. And we've also got k, k, k. And what sound is this if I put them together? K. And it's a digraph. Well done, everybody. What's that one? J, j, j. V. Well done. B, b, b. Fantastic. That one is L. Oh, 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 oh. And we're back to the start. Well done, everybody. Okay, let's quickly whiz through our keywords and our camera words and then we'll learn our new sound. So are you ready? Here we go. I've mixed these ones up as well. Ready? An. On. As. Is. It. And. In. At. Ah, well done. Let's do our camera words. Let's have a go. Ready? I. Go. The. To. Can you have a go today at trying to think of a sentence that uses the word to? What sentence are you going to say? I'm going to say, I go to the kitchen for a drink. Okay, you ready? Let's learn our new sound. So, our new sound today looks like this. And our new sound sounds like x. Can you have a go? Ready? My turn. X. Your turn. My turn. X. Your turn. Well done. Our new sound is x. Okay, let's have a look at what the picture is today. Okay. Now, can you see in our picture? There's a little boy and he's hurt his arm, but there's a nurse looking after him and he's being super brave. Now, he's hurt his arm, which means that he's had to have an X-ray. Can you see the pictures up here? Which means they've taken a picture of his arm to see the bones inside and check what's going on and why it's hurting him. So the little boy is being super brave and the nurse is putting a cast on his arm to help it get better. Wonder if any of you have seen anybody or even had a cast on your arm or your leg or a different part of your body because you've hurt it. I can also see in the picture a box. Can you hear that sound? Box has the x at the end of the word. Box. And in the box there's a book. And the book has got an animal on. What animal can you see? It's a fox. What sound is at the end of fox? It's another x. Well done. Now I can also see a little boy poking his head around with a camera. He's looking round the door. And at the top of the door it says exit. Can you hear that sound again? Exit. That's how you get out. Okay, so let's have a little think about how we do our action for our new sound. X. It's all to do with an X-ray. So you pretend you're taking a picture like an X-ray and you go x, x. Can you have a go with me? Ready? X, x. Well done, everybody. Let's have a little go at learning how to write it. Okay, we're going to just watch this time and use our finger because we're going to do a little bit of writing in a minute. So I've got my magic pen. Have you got your magic finger at the ready? Let's have a go. It goes entry, stroke, up and stop, down and across. Can you have another go with me? Ready? Entry, stroke, up and stop, down and across. Let's have a go on our hand. Ready? Entry, stroke, up and stop, down and across. Try really big in the air for me. Ready? Entry, stroke, up and stop, down and across. Brilliant. Now this one, we do lift our pencil up to start this next line, whereas normally we keep our pencils on the paper, don't we? Okay, fantastic. Let's have a look at some words that use our x sound. Okay, what can you see that has our x sound in it? I can see a fox. Ox. Fox. And fox has the x at the end of the word. There's not many words that have x at the start of the word. There are a couple, but a lot of the time we can hear the x at different points in the word, quite often at the end. I can also see a little girl who has done an exam. And she's passed it, look, A+, very good. An exam. I can also see an axe. An axe has the x sound in the middle. Can you see? It's in the middle here. I can see a number. What number can you see? It's the number 6. And 6 has a x at the end. And down here I can also see a box. B-ox. Box. And box has x at the end, doesn't it? Brilliant. Let's have a look at some other words. Okay, we're going to try and read this word together. And it's got our new sound in it. So I'm going to do the sound buttons. Do you think you can help me? Ready? Ox. Ox. What's the word going to be? Fox. I'm going to do it a bit quicker. Fox. What's it going to be? A fox. I wonder if you're right. Ready? It is. It's a fox. Well done. Okay, let's see what's next. Now, for this one, what I'd like you to do is we're going to have a go at writing it together. So you might want to pause the video now and go and get a pencil and a piece of paper, or maybe a whiteboard and a pen, or maybe even you've got magnetic letters at home and you want to get some of those. So pause the video here, go and grab what you need, come back and we'll have a go. Off you go. Okay, are you back? Right, let's have a go together. So this word is box. Box, and you can see it's written here for us, and we're going to have a little go at copying how we write it. So the first sound in box is a B, like you can see. Now they've written it without our entry strokes, but we're going to practice using our entry strokes. Are you ready? So the first sound is B for box. So we're going to go entry stroke up all the way to the top and stop, down and over with a flick. We've got B, B, O, B, O. So we're going to go entry stroke up and stop and all the way around. B, O, X. It's our new sound, isn't it? So we're going to go entry stroke up and stop, down and across. Did you have a little go with me? Have a go now if you didn't manage to have a go. B, Well done, everybody. Fantastic. Okay, now this time I've hidden the letters. So let's see if we can sound it out together and have a go at writing it. So this is the number 6. 6. Okay, let's try and write the word 6. 6. What's that first sound? 6. It's a S. Absolutely. So let's have a go. Ready? Entry stroke up and stop and down the slithery snake. Well done, everybody. S for 6. Now what's the next sound going to be? S-ix. S-ix. It's going to be an I, isn't it? Well done. So we're going to go entry stroke up and stop, down and a dot. Brilliant. S-ix. That's our new sound, isn't it? X. Let's have a go. Ready? Entry stroke up and stop, down and across. Brilliant. S-ix. It's quite hard to write on here, so it's not super neat, but I had a good go. Let's see if we are right. Ready? We are. S-ix. 6. Well done, everybody. Okay. Now for this one, we've got to read a sentence again, and it's got our question mark at the end. We've got to answer the question. Let's have a go at reading our sentence together. Are you ready? Okay. The first word has that capital at the start like yesterday. So we've got a, s, as, has, and then I've spotted one of our keywords. What keyword is this? Ah, well done. Has, let's sound this one out. Ready? Oh, what's this new sound? X. Well done. Fox. What's the word going to be? Fox. Fox. Well done. Has a fox. Right, let's sound this one out. Ready? G. O. T. G. O. T. What's that word going to be? G. O. T. Got. Well done. Read it from the start again. Has a fox got? What's this word going to be? I've spotted our new sound again. Ready? Let's do it from the start. S, I, x, ix. What's that word? 6. 6, the number 6. Let's have a go. Reading the whole sentence from the start. Ready? Has a fox got 6? What's the last word going to be? Let's sound it out. Ready? L, e, g, s, legs, legs, legs. Has a fox got 6 legs? What do you think? Does a fox have 6 legs? Have a think about a fox. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think a fox might only have 4 legs. Shall we have a look? See if we're right. Absolutely, they don't have 6 legs, do they? Let's count them. We've got 1. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. A fox has only got 4 legs. Well done, everybody. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I'd like you to do today. Okay, if you go to our website today, I've popped up a sheet all to do with our new sound, X. And what I'd like you to do, if you can, I'd like you to print it off. If you can't, it's not a problem at all. Just use your finger to trace over the sounds on top of it on your tablet or your computer. It's not a problem at all. So, what I'd like you to do is have a look at all the pictures and find all of the things that you can hear with the sound X in. So, you need to have a look. The first one is a box. A box. It's even written here. B-ox. Is the X sound in the word box? It is, isn't it? So what you need to do is you need to draw a circle around it, like that, to show it's got the X sound in. You can do that with your finger, with a pencil, or with something on your computer. It's